Hello students, in previous video we have seen the information about asexual reproduction, or we have completed already asexual reproduction. See, asexual reproduction is mainly divided into two types. First one is the asexual reproduction in unicellular organism, and second one is the asexual reproduction in multicellular organism. In that, asexual reproduction in unicellular organism is mainly divided into three types. First one is the binary fission, second one is the multiple fission, and third one is the budding. See, in that, binary fission is again divided into three types. First one is the simple binary fission, second one is the transverse binary fission, third one is the longitudinal binary fission. In that, simple binary fission is performed by amoeba, transverse binary fission is performed by paramecium, and longitudinal binary fission is performed by euglena. See, another type is the multiple fission. Multiple fission is also performed by unicellular organism like amoeba and some other protist. And third one is the budding. Budding is occur in the yeast cell or performed by yeast cell. Another type of asexual reproduction is the asexual reproduction in multicellular organisms. See, this type we have seen in the previous video. This type is mainly divided into five types. First one is the fragmentation, which is occur in the Spirogyra and Cycon like a sponge. Second type is the regeneration. Regeneration is performed by Planaria and wall lizard. Third one is the budding. Here is the budding in multicellular organism which performed by Hydra. आणि पहिल्यामध्ये जे आपण बघितलं ते budding म्हणजे ते कलिकायन, and it is found in a unicellular organism, that is yeast cell. See, fourth type is the vegetative propagation, which is performed by vegetative organ which are present in the plant. Which are vegetative organs? First one is the root, stem, leaf and bud. These vegetative organs perform vegetative propagation like a reproduction. And fifth type is the spore formation. Spore formation, the example of spore formation is mucor, like a fungi, or fungi like a mucor which having a filamentous body. तिथं आपण asexual reproduction हा point complete केलेला आहे. In this video we will going to discuss, or we will going to see the next point, sexual reproduction. See, sexual reproduction. What happen in sexual reproduction? See, recall करा, आठवते का पहा, asexual reproduction, in that there is no involvement of gamete, and in sexual reproduction it mainly divides or cell divide mitotically. Cell divide meiotically. See, in asexual reproduction cell divides mitotically or amitotically, सूत्री किंवा असूत्री पद्धतीने. In this type, in sexual reproduction cell divides meiotically. Okay, meiotically म्हणजेच here is a meiosis is occur, and all of you know that what is mean by meiosis. आपण ते नंतर पाहणार आहोत. See, in sexual reproduction two germ cell are occur. Which are there? The two germ cell are nothing but one is the female gamete and another one is the male gamete. These two germ cells are perform sexual reproduction. Okay, first one is the female gamete and second one is the male gamete. See, the main two processes occur in the sexual reproduction. Which main two processes? First one is the gamete formation, as you can see on the board, and second one is the fertilization. बघा, यामध्ये दोन महत्त्वाच्या प्रोसेस आढळतात. फर्स्ट वन इज दी गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन and another one is the fertilization. In case of asexual reproduction there is no involvement of gamete. तिथं युग्मक निर्मिती होत नाही. See, two processes. First one is the gamete formation, second one is the fertilization. What happen in gamete formation? See, this gamete formation occur with the help of meiosis. Means Here meiosis takes place. What happen in meiosis? See, meiosis, in that meiosis the number of chromosome get reduced to half and therefore it form the haploid gamete. Okay, तिथं काय होतं, गुणसूत्रांची संख्या काय होती हो, अर्धी होते. म्हणून तर हे कशाच्या साहाय्याने होणारं रिप्रोडक्शन आहे, तर इट इज occur with the help of meiosis. See, in gamete formation occur with the help of meiosis. Here is the chromosome number get reduced to half, therefore haploid gamete are formed. In this, या पॉईंटमध्ये लक्षात काय ठेवायचं, गॅमेट फॉर्मेशनमध्ये एकगुणी जनक पेशी तिथं तयार होतात. बघा, हे झालं गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन. Another process, first is the gamete formation, second one is the fertilization. It is this, बघा याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, in this fertilization process diploid zygote is formed with the help of male and female gamete. See, for sexual reproduction there is a essentiality or तिथं important काय असतं, तर two germ cells. Which two germ cells? Male gamete and female gamete. By the combination of male gamete and female gamete there is a formation of diploid zygote takes place. काय होतं इथं, diploid zygote तयार होतं. Zygote divide mitotically and embryo is formed. See, zygote काय होतं, त्याचं तो डिवाइड होतो आणि तिथं काय होतं, आपल्याला एक एम्ब्रियो मिळतो. दिस एम्ब्रियो डेव्हलप टू फॉर्म न्यू इंडिव्हिज्युअल. एम्ब्रियो आफ्टर सम टाईम गेट्स टू काय होत जातो, तो डेव्हलप होत जातं आणि त्याच्यापासून आपल्याला काय मिळतं, न्यू इंडिव्हिज्युअल मिळतो. सी, इन दिस टाईप ऑफ सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन टू parent involvement. Which two parent involvement? First one is the male parent and second one is the female parent. These two type of parent involved in such type of reproduction. See, here is the fusion takes place. कोणाचं फ्युजन होतं, तर मेल गॅमेट ऑफ मेल पॅरेंट अँड फिमेल गॅमेट ऑफ मेल गॅमेट ऑफ male parent combined with female gamete of female parent of female parent. These two get fused and by the fusion or by the combination of these two there is a formation of new individual takes place with recombined gene. recombined gene म्हणजे काय, तर त्याच्यामध्ये मेल गॅमेटचे आणि मेल पॅरेंटचे सुद्धा जीन्स असतात आणि फिमेल पॅरेंटचे सुद्धा त्याच्यामध्ये जीन्स असतात. सी, individual shows similar character with the parent and also shows some different character other than parent. See here, means here is the genetic variation आपल्याला काय होतं पाहायला मिळतं, और here is the genetic recombination takes place due to combination of two different cell. That nothing but the which two different cell? First one is the male gamete and second one is the female gamete. These two are recombined to form new individual. That's why the form new individual shows characters like a female and male gamete and also shows some different characters. So here is the, we can see genetic recombination or genetic variation. Due to this genetic variation, the diversity of living organism is occur. Due to genetic variation, there is a diversity in living organism occur. डायव्हर्सिटी इन लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम म्हणजे काय हो, लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम म्हणजे आपल्याला काय पाहायला मिळतं, विविधता पाहायला मिळते आणि ती कोणामुळे पाहायला मिळते, ड्यू टू जेनेटिक व्हेरिएशन. म्हणजे जनुकीय विचलनामुळे किंवा जनुकीय कॉम्बिनेशनमुळे, जनुकीय पुनଃसंयोगामुळे आपल्याला काय पाहायला मिळतं, तर सजीवांमध्ये विविधता पाहायला मिळते. आणि ही विविधता किंवा हे जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन जे आहे विच हेल्प्स टू सर्वाईव्ह दॅट पर्टिक्युलर लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम इन दी नेचर. ओके, अशा पद्धतीने ते काय करतात, स्वतःला सर्वाईव्ह करू शकतात. अँड इट ड्यू टू दिस प्लांट्स अँड ॲनिमल सेव्ह देमसेल्स बिकम एक्सटिंक्ट मीन्स त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, ड्यू टू जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन ते काय करू शकतात, स्वतःला नेचरमध्ये सर्वाईव्ह करू शकतात. अशा पद्धतीनं आपण काय पाहिलेलं आहे, सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इट happen or occur with the help of meiosis. It mainly consists of two germ cell. First one is the male gamete and second one is the female gamete, and it also consists of two main processes. First one is the gamete formation and second one is the fertilization. Okay, like this. मग आपण सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शनची डेफिनेशन काय करू शकतो, तर इट इज अ रिप्रोडक्शन occur with the help of or which occur or consist of the involvement of two different gametes. Okay, thank you.